I don't know how my mom finds her way in the garden. The corn has grown so thick, it's like a corn maze. Like really, I don't know if I'll find my way out. I think it should do. Let's go. God save me. Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambie. I'm so happy to be back at home and I'm back raiding my mom's kitchen garden, and today I'm going to be making Roselle with beef.
This tiny plum tree fruits a lot and produces more than we can eat. I need a way to save all those fruits from rotting on the ground.
Nambie juga pakai. Nah, apa kau kamu?
Nambie.
Angkat.
Plus.
Kenapa? Apa kau kamu?
Plus.
Nama yang Islam?
When will you plant the betel nut, the peach seeds? Because it will have it betel nut. It will this thing. There's seeds inside. Chabu.
Saya mau cakap. Apa di soto kaca baba?
I'm just going to use half of it because it's too hot.
Heat a pan or a karai and then toss in the cut roselle leaves and chillies together and add some salt. I also apologize for the low lighting in this video. The weather is bad and there has been no electricity the entire day. Our cooking is mostly devoid of cooking oil, so add in some water when the roselle leaves have let out most of the water content and is just about done. If you add in too late, then the roselle leaf might burn and stick to the bottom. I am using pre-cooked meat, so I am adding it at a later stage. If you are making use of fresh meat, let the meat cook first and then add the roselle leaves. Let the meat cook and soak in all the flavors, especially the tang of the roselle leaves. Voila, your dish is ready. Enjoy with a steaming hot plate of rice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you in the next episode with more amazing recipes from the Northeast.